Drink. Okay? So yours is going to be a little bit different, but it's the basic idea, right? And you're going to go awesome Bob Camp. Go!
Graham, are you ready to run? Okay.
Ready?
Wait, how are you going to do all of them?
She's not. We're gonna do some too. Yeah. Ready? What?
Okay, let's...
Wow! I love. Oh!
One more, get in there, do
Oh!
it.
No!
Go! Do the
Poor
one more.
Isla. Poor Isla. Uh-oh.
Jump!
Whoa!
All right. Great job.
Ready? Okay, we are the Extreme Pandas and express ourselves and fight! Stop! Again?
All right. Good job, Extreme Pandas.
Oh!
He's lighting!
Look! Get lighted again! Look out!
Lighter fluid!
Look at that fire! It's burning. Kyler, you love fire? Are you gonna be like a fireman when you grow up? Oh my God! Oh, it's not as good as last time, but okay.
That was great fire.
All right, well, later. Good job, though.
Out letting go of the string. Bend down and take off one.
Don't let go of your string.
Adult, never let go of your string, okay? And don't let it loose. Whatever you do. Don't let it loose. Good job!
And Libby.
Here, keep your string really.
I know.
That's ours. It's mine.
That's yours.
One of mine. One of ours.
Yeah.
Claim that one.
Yeah.
Anna, you let it in.
Okay, you got it?
Yep.
Okay, it's gonna go. Fantastic platypuses!
A bottle. Oh, Libby! Oh! Lulu! Lulu. Getting progressively messy.
You let go. Hold it tight. You gotta hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Can I tie it around your wrist? Or I can. Hold it tight. I don't know if it's big enough.
Good job, Iona.
Cece, take off the clip.
Good job, Cece.
Let's take it. Let's go. Let's wait till after then, and then I'll do it. Okay. Iona, it's floating. Hold it. Hold it.
Cheer.
Oh. Awesome pandas fight.
Go! Get out of here!
Get that one upright, Tyler.
I'm wet.
I know, I got wet too on that.
I didn't.
Get in there, What's your favorite part,
And the
Tyler?
Coke.
And the Coke? So what do you think you like more, the fire or the Coke?
What?
What do you like more, the fire or the Coke?
The Coke burning the.
Oh, look out, fire!
The fire burning the Coke.
What? That makes no sense.
The fire? While the fire.
You're making no sense. I'm not.
Hi,
Lulu.
And then the fire.
Lulu, what's your favorite part about camp?
The fire went in my face.
Your fire went in your face? That's amazing. Did you get burned?
Yes.
Yes, you got burned? Oh.
He's lighting.
Look! Get lighted again! Look out!
Lighter fluid.
Look at that fire. It's